The thumbnail you just clicked on wasn't made by a designer. It was made entirely by AI. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I recreated it using myaithumbnail.com, a tool that is built to help YouTubers like you get insane click-through rate without hiring a designer. So I just searched for generate free AI thumbnail on YouTube, scrolled down a little bit and saw this thumbnail. I clicked on the video, copied the link, pasted it in the recreate section of myaithumbnail.com, changed Mr. Beast into an Indian guy. You can also change text color, camera angle, or anything you want. You can also add your face if you want, but right now this is a faceless channel, so I'll just click on generate. In under 1 minute, I got my ready to use thumbnail. And the best part about these AI thumbnail platforms, creators using my AI thumbnail have seen CTR improvements of 10 to 15%. That's the difference between 1000 views to 10,000. Whether you are a faceless channel, an educator, or a vlogger, and recreation based on what's already working on YouTube. So next time you're stuck on thumbnail, don't guess. Steal what already works ethically using myaithumbnail.com. Try it free at myaithumbnail.com and recreate your next viral thumbnail in seconds.